Hey there everybody, it's Ashley and welcome to my channel. In this series you will learn almost everything you could possibly want to know about money in China. Let's get started with forms of payment accepted in China. Alipay,
支付宝
paper money or banknotes.
钞票
Cash,
现金
money,
钱
piece,
块
coin,
硬币
credit card.
信用卡
To use a credit card, swipe.
刷卡
Quick response code.
二维码
To scan.
扫一扫
Scan QR code to pay.
扫码支付
WeChat Pay.
微信
Money-related vocabulary. Bank.
银行
Bill or request for payment.
账单
Change.
找的钱
Cheap.
便宜
Collect money.
收钱
Commission. Service charge for exchanging money.
手续费
Coupon. Preferential price.
优惠价
Deposit at a bank.
存款
Deposit. Down payment.
押金
Discount. Rebate.
折
Duty-free goods.
免税品
Exchange American dollars into Chinese yuan.
把美元换成人民币
Exchange counter.
兑换处
Exchange rate.
汇率
Expense. Cost.
费用
Expensive.
贵
Fare. Transport costs.
交通费
Free of charge.
免费
Give change.
找钱
Invoice. Receipt.
发票
Near the bank.
在银行附近
Price.
价钱
Service charge. Cover charge.
服务费
Small change.
零钱
Tip.
小费
To break a large bill.
换成零钱
To discount. To mark down.
减价
To exchange money.
兑换
To pay the bill. Check out.
结账
Wallet. Purse.
钱包
That's all for part 1. Join me in part 2, where you'll learn useful phrases related to money that you can use during your next trip to China. Bye for now.